All right, Mother Nature. Let's see what you got. We're about halfway through this snowstorm, nor'easter, blizzard, whatever you want to call it, whatever they call it. The news is having a field day. I'm just gonna walk out here, check it out. Wow, I've got about a 3-foot pile here by the street, so it's definitely intense. But we're gonna make a shot at it. We're gonna do some plowing first. There's our Christmas tree buried under there, and shovel the car off, plow the driveway, and then come back out later on tonight and finish it when we get another foot, supposedly. All right. Nice. Even the snow clouds. Wow. We've never seen that before. Wow, with all that weight, getting no traction. Never seen that. Alright, cleared it out. Still snowing. Not that bad though. Although the car's covered again. My neighbor, he's still shoveling. So I got this to do. I don't know if you can even see it. It's probably too white. Snowplows made it up the street. We can get out. There we go. Clean steps. up there on the roof pretty good, top of the bushes.